what is biotoilet. We know biotoilet is a current hot topic. Now, most of the general toilets in railways or trains have been upgraded and converted as biotoilets because biotoilet is a very eco-friendly toilet in which the waste will be better management so that the pollution can be controlled, and it is also a part of Swachh Bharat mission of India. Then first I will know what is biotoilet. Biotoilet is a toilet system which decomposes human excretory waste in a digester tank with the help of specific high-grade bacteria, and the decomposed waste is converted into methane, carbon dioxide and water. Now friend, we will know how biodigester and biotoilet functions. Actually biotoilet, this is the diagram of the biotoilet in which the diagram above is the commode and human excreta collected through the commode and passed to the biodigester tank, and the digester tank is just below the commode, and the digester tank is fitted with a bacteria embedded sheets, and this bacteria actually collected by Defense Research Development Organization DRDO from polar region Antarctica, and this bacteria, the specification of this bacteria is it can sustain, it can work in a very extreme climatic condition, minus 5 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade in a very cold climatic condition, and also in a very hot climatic condition it can exist, it can function, and it can decompose or digest. You know, in India the climatic condition is very diverse, so in this diverse climatic condition this bacteria easily can digest the waste materials, so it is very essential. Now this is the biodigester tank in which bacteria treats the waste materials, and after treating it converts the human excreta with some methane, carbon dioxide and water, which is free from any pathogens, disease causing pathogens. We can either pass the disease free waste liquids to the tracks which cannot cause any pollution, or you can also use it in various agricultural works or in gardening or any other purposes. And the gas collected here is methane with carbon dioxide, and this gas can be either passed to the atmosphere or can be used in cooking processes. Now let us discuss it in detail. We will discuss working of biological toilet system. Actually this is a anaerobic decomposition process in which in the absence of air the decomposition takes place, and this bacteria can decompose the waste material in the absence of air. You know, in the absence of air inside the digester tank no pathogens can grow, but the bacteria can decompose, so it is a very good for environment. First the human waste collected, then passed to the biodigester tank where anaerobic bacteria is present which convert and degrade the waste into liquid waste and carbon dioxide, methane, which gas released to the atmosphere, and the liquid waste deposits below, and it further chlorinates, and if any pathogens present there, after chlorination it becomes disinfected, and this disinfected liquid discharged to the tracks. Okay, now I will study bacteria decomposes the human waste in the digester tank which converts it into methane, carbon dioxide and water. The bacteria used in the biotoilet collected by DRDO from Antarctica effectively work in extreme climatic condition minus 5 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade, and biotoilets work with minimum water without sewage with a low maintenance cost. Actually the advantages of biotoilet is it does not require much of the water. Most of the water actually waste during the sanitation in trains. In biotoilets very minimum water will be wasted. next is its maintenance cost is too low. Then anaerobic environment condition prevents the growth of disease causing pathogens. We have already discussed it. Then, but the anaerobic bacteria easily decompose the excreta. The byproducts obtained after treating excreta are pathogen-free water, which is suitable for gardening, and biogas methane, which is suitable for cooking. The toilet has a tank fitted below the commode. The tank has bacteria embedded seeds. When excreta comes in contact with the bacteria, it gets converted into water and methane. And working in railways. The first biotoilet fitted train was Gwalior Varanasi Bundelkhand Express 2011. Actually, the first biotoilet fitted in Bundelkhand Express in 2011. The biotoilets, because single bacteria recharge, works for nearly a year. This is the good advantage. If once the bacteria are embedded in the embedded seeds, it can work up to 1 year. No further recharge is required. Once bacteria embedded, it can work for 1 year. Then the bacteria used in the biotoilets can withstand extreme climatic condition, and common disinfectants used for cleaning. If you use any disinfectant like phenyl or anything to clean the toilet, it ultimately goes to the biodigester tank, and this disinfectant cannot kill the bacteria. It may kill the pathogens but cannot kill the bacteria. This is the advantage. And bacteria can withstand these disinfectants. Then comes to installation of biotoilets in trains. Already 70% of passenger carrying trains have been installed with biotoilets, and the remaining biotoilets can be completed till 2020. Okay. What not to do in biotoilets? We should not throw any plastics. We should not throw any napkins or paper waste like paper plates, cups, newspaper, unless it may blockage the path. Because in general toilet, anything we throw, it cannot block the path, ultimately it pass through the open passage. But in biotoilets, there is no open passage system, so it can block the passage. So we should be conscious about it, and we should not throw any such substances. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel video, then subscribe my channel and watch my next video. God bless you. Thank you.